Ways your device need fixing. We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will address the common issue of the Dyson HS01 hairdryer not turning on or shutting off unexpectedly when the cable is moved. This problem often stems from a damaged power cable or internal connections. Let's dive into the steps to diagnose and potentially fix this issue. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter for testing continuity. You may also want a soft cloth for cleaning any dust or debris inside the device. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the power source. Safety is paramount, so make sure it's completely disconnected. Next, inspect the power cable for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice any fraying or exposed wires, this could be the culprit. Now, let's open the device. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing to reveal the internal components. Inside, you'll see the wiring connected to the power switch and the motor. Carefully examine these connections. If you see any loose wires, this could explain why the hairdryer turns off when the cable is moved. If you are unsure about the connections, you can use a multimeter to test for continuity. This will help you determine if the power is reaching the motor. If you find that the cable is indeed damaged, you may need to replace it. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the issue and provide a quote before repair. While you have the device open, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the internal components, ensuring that everything is clean and free from obstructions. Once you've completed your inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Carefully align the casing and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is secure before plugging the device back in. After reassembly, plug the hairdryer back into the power source and test it. Move the cable gently to see if the issue persists. If it works without shutting off, you've successfully resolved the problem. However, if it still turns off, it may be time to consider professional help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your Dyson HS01 repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. In summary, diagnosing and fixing power issues with the Dyson HS01 can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Always remember to prioritize safety and don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance if needed. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.